Welcome to Supatest. Here, we're looking at a Supatest AI agent in action. It's a classic SaaS application, originally built on an older web system, featuring a traditional login and dashboard page. Here's their test suite showcasing all the dashboard test cases. You'll notice some test cases are passing while others are not. They've upgraded to a sleek, modern UI with a revamped dashboard. All UI elements have been updated. Now, during testing, we have this updated test suite. We've updated the URL and started the tests. Soon, you'll see all test cases entering a healing state. Our Supatest AI agent is on it, pinpointing each test step accurately, analyzing the page like a human, and fixing test cases in real time. It's adapting test cases seamlessly for the new UI changes while running the test cases. And there it is. All test cases in the suite are now passing successfully. It's now Supatest checked, and that is our Supatest AI agent.